Hi guys, so today's video might cause me instant regret because I'm going back to the dark times of 2016. I did a video a few years ago where I did my emo / goth makeup tutorial. It was my most viewed video, so I thought today why not just recreate that video and try to get as many views as I did for that one, because that would be great, honestly. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I've never done a video like this, so editing it is going to be a challenge, but let's just see how it goes, I guess. If I sound ill, it's because I am ill, so that's fun, but yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, I'm scared. Right, okay. I apparently already did my foundation in this video before it started because that's, you know, great. What a beauty guru. I guess we'll just start with foundation then. I have no idea if I have any of the stuff I used back then, but I guess we're just gonna have to work with what we got. I guess I will use my NYX foundation. I think back then I used one of these setting powder things, like the white ones, so I'm just going to use that. And it feels so weird to do foundation first because I never do that, because fallout, and if you don't do your eyebrows properly when you've got foundation on already and you have to keep like wiping off, it's like the worst thing ever, so I just don't do that. But I guess today is different. Also, I'm wearing this t-shirt because I felt like it would be very emo-esque, and that is what I was going for back then, so okay. Sorry about my makeupless face, but I already had makeup on, so okay. Oh, I don't have that product anymore, but I have something similar, which is fine. Okay, great angles. You can really see everything. Okay. Okay. Right, so my eyebrows are kind of the same as they were back then, because I'm trying to grow them back a little bit, and back then I just used to shave the end bits here, so I guess it's easy to work with. But what the hell were they? That is just not what you want. Oh, it just looks so, like, boring. That is literally what is on the screen, just that. Please tell me I do more. Okay, I guess we're not doing much more than this, but it's fine, we'll go with it. Oh my god. Moving on anyway. Okay, right, straight in there with the eyeshadow, like no primer, no liner, just straight in that eyeshadow. But I do have the same brush, so cool. Oh my god. Okay. I'm getting fallout already. Fallout boy. You know what? That actually looks pretty cool. Like, that looks like it was so easy, you know? Why am I not getting the same effect as I did back then? Okay, how did I blend this out? With my fingers, okay. I still kind of do that, but I feel like this is quite a dense amount of eyeshadow to blend out like that, and it actually looked good, so I guess we're not using blending brushes today. I started out this video thinking I would just do like a really good version of what I did back then, and it would somehow just turn out a lot better, but I feel like it's just going a lot worse. I need to get my finger blending down, but it's not looking good at the minute, is it? It's literally just smudging all over my face. My under eyes, they're not having a good time. I don't think anyone here is having a good time. Oh, okay. This eyeliner is my favourite eyeliner. I just haven't got around to getting any eyeliner. I know, it's shocking, like, essentials, you know? I'm just gonna use that on an eyeliner brush. Basically, Jesus Christ. There's no precision. Okay, did I just draw an inner wing with a pencil, like a kohl pencil? That's actually quite impressive, like, to get precision on that. Cool, I'm blending it out a bit, with the same massive brush I used for the top of my eyes. Right, eyeliner. I'm gonna use this one, because it's kind of similar. Not even a wing saves this look, I'm sorry. Painful. Oh, more eyeshadow. More eyeshadow. Okay. I just think, okay, that's good, because my camera apparently stopped recording there. Which makes this next bit a lot easier, because I don't have to do any more. But I'm also sad because I don't do any more. As in, where's the contour? Where's the highlight? This is literally all I did. This is all I did. That is it. There's no... Did I not even put mascara on? I don't think I put mascara on. Maybe my camera cut out before I put mascara on. But this is all that is in the tutorial, so I guess here's where I stop. I'd say we could basically stop there, but I feel like for the sake of the video, we need to do the little dots. Not even, but they never were, so it's fine, it just goes with it a little bit more. I used to do them here as well, if I felt really fancy. I feel like your look isn't completed unless you add random little dots all over your face. Yeah, kind of looks like an eyebrow piercing. I don't know if that was the idea, but... I guess that's it. I just feel so weird without any highlight or contour or mascara or lashes or lipstick. But if we're going for simplicity, then we've definitely done it. This isn't any judgment to anybody that still does their makeup like this. I'm purely judging my older self's talent for not doing it well. If you can pull this off, then that's impressive, because I definitely can't. I just feel like I'm not as emo as I should be right now. Let me just try to improve this a little bit. Oh yes, see, that is so much better already. The emo hair really goes well with this look, so if you watched this far, I am so sorry. I just want to make a little point though, because I got a lot of hate on the video for the title because I put emo and goth in the same like bracket or whatever you want to call it. I did like emo / goth and people got so offended by that. But I'm not even like trying to justify it, because they aren't the same thing. I'm not saying they are. I'm just saying they share a lot of similarities. So no, they're not the same thing. But the amount of criticism for just that one little thing seemed like a bit much. But at the same time, the hate got me good views, so thanks for that, I guess. Thanks to my supporters and my haters, and thank you if you watched this video, because yeah, so that's the end of the video, thankfully. If you want more videos, let me know in the comments what you want to see, because I can do them sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna go and take this all off now, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.